Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Aggregate output levels change throughout the business cycle, so let's find the exact point where production hits its absolute maximum. This is super quick. The business cycle consists of 4 distinct phases, including expansion, peak, recession, and trough. We need to identify which specific moment represents the highest point of total economic activity and output. During the expansion phase, aggregate output is growing rapidly as the economy climbs upward. However, this growth eventually hits a ceiling where the economy cannot produce any more goods or services. After the peak, the economy enters a recession and output begins to fall. Therefore, the peak is the maximum point, making option D our winner. Well done! Scan now, watch signs of growth and avoid the rush. Trust given data and check steps to ensure you find the maximum.